If you're looking for a way to get even more uses from your truck bed, check this out. The DiamondBack truck cover is a great accessory that adds more versatility to any conventional truck bed. You can load your ATVs on top and stow your gear inside with its lockable seal design. The DiamondBack will haul up to 1,600 pounds on top with the option to tow your boat or camper behind. And the DiamondBack's built tough enough to take on almost any job. Get more information on this tough truck accessory at DiamondBackCovers.com.